So this is love. So this is love. So
completely rusted out.
The first week on the job as a plumber is always a tough one. Ouch. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine.
I could've went to school to be a doctor, but I dropped out and chose to be a baller.
That's not coming out very strong.
No, it's not. That's why it's not messing with my gauge. My gauge is not even registering it. That's how much little pressure it has. Let me get a...
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's some pressure. Look at that. White right there. Dog, that's beautiful.
Yeah, then maybe we can go to...
Have you ever wondered what the inside of a manhole looks like?
This is about to turn into something amazing. Follow to see the final product.
You won't believe what caused this leak behind the bathroom sink. There was a broken pipe hidden behind the sink. When we removed it, we noticed that there were nails piercing the pipe and causing it to crack. We believe this was caused when wood was being nailed to the outside of the home. If you look closely, you can see the nails stuck in the pipe.
You're just like magic. V.2, make me move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. Just magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate. Now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same.
Steady trying to find the motive. Why do what I do?
Something is clogging this drain very badly. Let's see what it is. Someone tell me how that got there.
Ugh, I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank.